Hi everyone, today we're exploring the EDOGUSA Bushlore Wild Medicinal and Plant Cards, a compact and waterproof field guide with 25 pocket-sized cards perfect for outdoor lovers and survivalists. Each card features a full-color image of a plant, its common and Latin names, plus detailed information on habitat, harvest season, edible parts, and preparation tips. You'll find 17 easily identifiable wild remedies commonly found in backyards and wilderness areas, along with important foraging rules, tools, and safety warnings. The set also includes 8 special cards covering foraging rules, plant identification tips, preserving your harvest, and herbal preparations. These tough cards are smaller and more convenient than most survival books, making them ideal for everyday carry or emergency kits. Whether you're into bushcraft, camping, or disaster preparedness, this kit offers critical info to help you find and use wild medicinal plants. Plus, there's a bonus fire cider recipe to boost your herbal remedy skills on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.